I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I saw an advertisement. I was planning on starting a drone business, saw the advertisement, and it really piqued my curiosity, and so I signed up for it. So far, it's just really been interesting. Uh, I'm anxious to see the what happens the next 2 days. It was great attending virtually because um, I was at my leisure here at home and didn't have to worry about getting out and making the meeting. I would say to someone on the fence about attending that it is so far it's definitely something that would be beneficial. Um, One of the most valuable lessons I've learned to this point uh, is that you know I will be able to learn how to market myself from what's coming up. And if I had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who's never met them, um, they're both powerhouses. Look out.